Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini ki longi khubor bamta kasni. Ka office jong senior superintendent of police SSP Ribhoi district nongpo kalapentip baka khatkhandai trik unailar arajar arpsan ka jingtho ejahar FIR kalapoi shikibor pulit ka bakdo bakinong penyat ka kali tourist taxi ki bayat lingba ka surok ba NH6 di har nongpo umsning kila sha pensa nge bunsien da ka kinhun ki runar ke bralam khmat do sparli singkli karkum ka jingtim kini ki runar ki shim pisa ka bakot hapdeng lai hajar tingka haduh 1000 sanspa tingka na ki nongnya taxi tang namar bakira ya ki nong litkai ber ki nong shongshnong bomde ki try re non tribal walada ki nong wan litkai ki don bet ki kot kisla ki bela penyat da ka anti infiltration checkpost bernihat nak lor ka jingpin bor pisa extortion ki runar ki lapen mi ru da ki jingle bomman kum ka jing thombor bat jing sha shitam ki nong yat bat kinong let kai kani ka jingja kala pen su thma jingmut bat pen mi jingdu pisa ye kinong nya taxi ka case ejahar la register nongpo PS case number 9008 2025 hapo ki kendon an bapher jong ka bharatiya nyaya sanhita BNS ha ka jing toket alabun ki durbat video ki bapen shisha ye ki jing kenno ka jing toket kalap ru ye ki transaction bank hapdeng ki nong ya taxi bar ki account jong gini ki brio ki dukhot ka hinyo trap National Youth Movement HNYM ki basha kem ki long uriki tangsang nongpo dukhot sparli singkli nongpo chairman anti influx cell udon bok lang kharbani nongpo president nongpo circle u aibor lang marbanyang nongpo working president nongpo circle u krios paryong nongpo dukhot ka jing toket kapin naru ba uba riki tangsang bar ki parlok jeng u kila don benta hasibun ki case barim kum hanongpo police station umyam PS bat laban police station ki badai halor ka jingpin bor pisa thok thim bat jingri kali ki bor pulit kila ong babaro ki bashakem kila de phah shah ka iingbishar.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.